What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Like many of you at home, I realized that social distancing is a lot more challenging than I had originally thought. But along with learning new things, there's also teaching new things, like customizing a Sharpie pen. Be sure to subscribe and drop a like. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And that's pretty much it. There's our custom Sharpie pen. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and drop a hello in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.